Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to disable the automated Welcome App screen panel from launching on startup in Linux Mint. This instantly stops the welcome greeting layout from popping up on your monitor every time you boot your computer, letting you get straight to your desktop workspace without manual clicks. Open your System menu by clicking the Linux Mint logo in the bottom left corner of your taskbar. Type Welcome into the search bar and click the welcome screen icon from the results to launch the panel interface. When the layout window pops up, move your eyes down to the absolute bottom right corner of the interface header block. Locate the small checkbox option explicitly labeled Show this dialog at startup. Click that checkbox to uncheck it and completely freeze the startup boot rule trigger. The desktop core engine updates your profile configuration in real time, meaning the welcome layout panel will no longer automatically load on your next boot. There is no save or apply button needed, so just click the X button at the top corner to close the panel. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.